Hi everybody, today we'll ask about how to fix Sketchbook app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you can search about Sketchbook. Then in this page you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to storage. After that you can click on clear cache. And then in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.